This GiveIt Forms video is for Donorfy. Please be aware this demo may include features outside of your band. Sparks work in conjunction with your donation field to add a little bit more incentivization. Let's add one to this form now. You'll need to prepare a visible label, an optional sub-label as well. The render mode for Sparks has two varieties, carousel and notification. We'll start with carousel. We're going to leave the rest of the settings as they are for the time being. The only difference I'm going to make now is I'm going to move my Sparks field up to this position of the form. So that's just between the totalizer and the donation field. Here's the web page for an appeal. And when we scroll down, we'll see the GiveIt form that's embedded on this page. This is the donation form for the appeal. I haven't refreshed it yet since adding that Sparks element, but like I said, it's going to appear between the totalizer at the top and the donation control. It's going to appear about here. So let's refresh the page. And when we scroll down to that position now, this is the Sparks element in effect in carousel render mode. Now what this is doing is it's looking back over the database at the last 10 donations that were recorded through this form and presenting them like this to offer a bit of social proof, to put this human element into the form and to show that the form is being engaged with. All of these things combined offer incentivization for this user to want to become part of that community, part of that gang, and part of the overall support for this cause. Now let's make an adjustment to our Sparks field. I'm going to change the render mode this time to notification. Let's click done there, save that difference to the form, and revisit our lizard appeal page. Okay, when we scroll down to position now, what you'll notice is the carousel has obviously disappeared, but nothing in this space is rendering. But keep an eye on the lower left corner of the display. Now that we've got the notification render mode in, these pop-ups are occurring, and they show us exactly that same data, the last 10 donations that went through. But they happen in a fixed position all up and down the page, so I don't actually have to have the form, the GiveIt form, in the viewport visible to have this take place. Which is also handy because a donate button is included within these notification renders, which would take me down to the form when I click it. There's another feature to Sparks as well. It's the include in doorways feature. So if we have any doorways configured to our donation component, whereby those embeds are on other pages, we can have Sparks filter through to those pages as well. The home page of the very same website. And you can see already that in the bottom left corner, our Spark notifications are firing. And they're coming in via the doorway that we've configured lower on the page, right here for the lizard appeal. So the very presence of this appeal on this home page of the website, and that we've toggled that setting on in Sparks at GiveIt Forms, now we're getting our incentivization up and down this page. So regardless of which bit of content I'm looking at, my attention is going to be grabbed by those Sparks, and I'm going to want to donate.